Chelsea Herbert ar gic lawr cae, peniad cadarn gan Siobhan Walsh yn syth I lwybr Michaela Cook sy'n rhwydo, ond amheuaeth I bod hi'n cam sefyll a mae'r lliman wedi aros lawr ac mae Caerdydd ar y blaen wedi 9 munud. Michaela Cook, yr ergyd yn rhy boeth I Chelsea Herbert. Williams at Pinder. Pinder o'n llithro'r ball yn hyfryd at Stacey John Davies. Llai na 5 munud ers I Caerdydd fynd ar y blaen, mae Abertawe yn gyfartal. Y bas yn berffaith a'r bêl yn cael ei gwasgu gefn y rhwyd. Fion Price at y postyn pella. Siobhan Walsh yn cyrraedd oddi ar y linell yn arwrol gan Ellie Lake. Ac mae'n parhau'n gyfartal yma. Williams nôl at Cerin Chamberlain. O, mae yna gamgymeriad fan hyn. Cyfle I Molly Kehoe i'w dwyni. 5 munud yn weddill yma ym Mhen y Bont. Ac mae'n anrheg gan Abertawe I Gaerdydd. Camddealltwriaeth rhwng Williams a Chamberlain a Kehoe manteisio i'r eitha. Munud yn weddill yma bêl I fewn i'r cwrs bach. Megan Bowen a'r peniad yn sicrhau bod Caerdydd yn mynd I gyrraedd y rownd derfynol am y trydydd tymor yn ôl.
It was a difficult game. I thought both teams had spells when they were on top, very physical. We knew they'd be full of confidence after the result they had against us the other week. And we've been working on a few new things which we tried to put into play today, and I think they worked at times. Still got some areas to improve on, but I thought we won the game because we just outfought them second half, and we took our moments when they came, and the girls were fantastic and they can be proud of that performance.
Definitely wasn't 3-1 results. Games like that are defined by margins, and it was a marginal goal. It was tight. We tried to play the right way like we always do, and I can't fault the players for that. Can't fault the players. And look, they scored. That's it.
O, jyst yn hapus bod ni wedi ennill y gêm, I fod yn onest. Ni trwy'r ffeinal nawr, dau ffeinal, a ni jyst yn hapus gyda'r perfformiad y tîm, sut ni wedi chwarae heddiw, sut ni wedi bounsio nôl o'r wythnos cyn. A ni jyst yn hapus bod y perfformiad yn dangos pa fath o tîm ydyn ni.
Did you feel both of you coming off the bench made the difference?
Yeah, I think obviously both of us were pretty confident coming on. It was obviously a tight game and a tough game, but I think the two of us came on with confidence and it showed.
I'm proud of my entire squad that I took to this semi-final, and I hopefully they can continue the run going. We've only lost 2 in so many games, so I can't be too disheartened.
Ac ymlaen i'r ffeinal, Wrexham neu y Seintiau Newydd, pwy ydych chi'n hoffi?
Sdim os gen I fod yn onest, dyma'r un tîm yn eisiau allan really o'r cwpan, a nawr ni wedi gwneud hwnna, a ni wedi ennill 3-1, felly sdim os gen I, os ni'n ennill y gêm, dyna beth sy'n bod.